7 steps to improve your mental health, based on research and my own experience. 1. Take care of your physical health through nutrition and exercise. 2. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation. 3. Maintain an organized space for improved focus and productivity. 4. Cultivate meaningful connections and spend time with loved ones. 5. Practice gratitude and reflect on positive aspects of your life. 6. Prioritize quality sleep and establish a consistent sleep routine. 7. Recharge and find peace in nature to boost well-being and reduce stress. Additionally, consider incorporating LiveGood supplements into your routine to support overall health and enhance your well-being. This video is for educational purposes and not medical advice. Remember, improving your mental health is a journey that requires patience and self-care. Seek professional help if needed. Please subscribe, like and share this video.